TVJ News tracks the series of events surrounding the controversial Spanish Town shooting, Jamaica to have a DNA database by the end of the year, and death trap, roadwork obstructing emergency vehicles out west.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Milton Walker is here for the preview.
Yes, Janella, NCB has successfully closed the deal to acquire the majority shares in Trinidadian insurance company Guardian Holdings.
And from business, we go to Jordan Fort. What's happening in sports?
Yes, Archie. Well, the young Reggae boys' hopes of qualification for the World Cup later this year took a hit today. But they still have an opportunity to qualify for FIFA's showpiece. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this news.